Today on Foxy TV, Phoebe is unboxing some of her favourite new pieces of furniture and she's going to show you how to use them in staging. And stick around to the latter stages of the episode as I have a really nice install to show you. Now though, let's go unbox some furniture.
Hi guys, so we have just had a delivery from one of our suppliers. So Cafe Lighting and Living are a supplier we use, they're based in Melbourne. Very excited to show you guys these bits and pieces. So we're going to do an unboxing, show you how I use it and show you why they're my favourite. Hey guys, so you can see they're all unboxed now. We've got a bit of a blend of furniture. We've got some pieces that are a little bit more contemporary. Those pieces are pretty versatile though, because we can also use them in a more traditional setting. So we have you'll see a lot of the pieces are coming through now, they're very rounded. Rounded's very on trend, so you can see that's what we see in our armchairs. Coffee table's also round, and the sofa, feather fill, brand new, so it's standing up very high, but it's also very rounded. It's not very squared off, which is more of a traditional sofa. A traditional sofa has more square arms. So this is a really soft setting that works really, really well in any of the contemporary homes that we've been doing, where a contemporary home tends to have more clean edges. So this works to really soften all those modern fixtures that you see in a modern home. Loving the coffee table, and then you can see when we pair it together with our designer boy artwork, see how beautiful this comes together in more of a, it definitely doesn't go in a grey home. This goes in definitely more of a beige modern home. Let's go in a Queenslander. A Queenslander generally calls for something that's a little bit more regal. So that's what I'm about to set up and show you, how we can still use the coffee table and the rug. Black in a traditional home doesn't really work. It's definitely more of a contemporary feel. These armchairs, definitely I wouldn't put them in a traditional Queenslander. So let's switch it up and I'll show you the difference. Alright, so we've switched it out. We've gone with our more traditional wing backs. These are studded wing backs. That's what works beautifully in more of a traditional home. The coffee table's really versatile. Honestly, it doesn't matter if the house is black or grey or a beige tone home. It doesn't matter if we're going traditional or contemporary. It doesn't matter if we go down more of a coastal feel or if we're going down more of a French provincial. So I honestly feel that coffee table could be used in almost any setting that we have come our way. This sofa, obviously this is not one that we just unboxed. This sofa is from Iluka Road. It used to be a slipcover sofa. We've had it recovered and I really, really love the new look of it. It's also feather filled just like the other one we had. The feather fill in the sofa, I don't have those at home, but I think they make it look a little bit more classy, a little bit more high end. However, I haven't really made it look too beautiful right now. Throw on some artwork and that's our finished product. I can't wait to see them go out to a home. Hopefully we get to show you these in our actual setting in a property soon, a contemporary one as well as a Queenslander, so you can see the difference.
As Phoebe mentioned, hopefully we'll be able to show you some of these pieces of furniture in some installs very soon. And apologies for the audio on that clip. The microphone we had stopped working, so we had to rely on the iPhone's audio. It wasn't too bad, but yeah, a little echoey. We're now going to take you to an install in Paddington where Kirsten was lead stylist.
Alrighty, Kirsten, how did your install go today?
Yeah, it was really good. It went pretty smoothly. Didn't really have anything crazy happen, so that was nice. It was a big one today, so it's good to have everything run smoothly for me.
Yeah, awesome. And what style did you go for?
So we kind of stuck with it's a beautiful old Queenslander home, so we kind of stuck pretty traditional there and just added some nice blues and whites, kept a nice high end.
And that is all we have for episode 166. Thanks, as always, for watching. If you have any questions, let us know in the comments below. Otherwise, we'll see you back here next week.